Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact freeze problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just right click here in this bar and click task manager. Now once you're here, go to details. Now scroll down until you find Genshin Impact, and as you see I'm not running Genshin Impact, that's why I can't find it here. Just run Genshin Impact and scroll down until you find it, and let's say that this is Genshin Impact. Right click on it, go to set priority high and click change priority, and that's it. I don't mean to do it to NordVPN. Just scroll down until you find Genshin Impact and right click on it, and that's it. After that just try again, and if that doesn't fix it, now just close Genshin Impact and go to settings, go to privacy, and then apply background apps, make sure it's turned off, and that's it. Now just open Genshin Impact and do the same thing here, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.